All right, listen up. Everyone wants to make those viral cinematic videos, but nobody wants to spend 3 weeks in an editing suite. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a sci-fi epic using Grok AI, featuring our cyberpunk-style hero, Jackie. Talk is cheap. Let me show you the video.
Year 2099. High-tech brain-computer interfaces are the new norm, and humans are upgrading their bodies like they're swapping out smartphone parts. Jackie. He's just a 26-year-old young man whose life was turned upside down in an instant. A devastating car accident changed everything, leaving him without a healthy body. Now, he's burdened with a huge loan, all for that new electronic eye and mechanic arm. Paying off this heavy debt has become the center of his life.
Do you like it? Let me tell you how to make it within just half an hour in Grok AI. Maybe after checking out my procedure, you can become a great filmmaker. Step 1. The golden ratio. First things first, 9:16. Why? Because we're living in the era of the scroll. Whether it's TikTok or YouTube Shorts, if you aren't vertical, you aren't invited to the party. We're maximizing the social network to make most of our short movie. Step 2. The 6-second sweet spot. Now, Grok gives you a choice, 6 seconds or 10 seconds. Here's the pro tip. Start with 6. Why? Because maintaining visual consistency in AI is like herding cats. A 6-second clip is the Goldilocks zone. It's long enough to show movement, but short enough that the AI doesn't get confused and give your hero a third arm halfway through. For newbies, 6 seconds is your best friend. Step 3. Doing the math. We're aiming for a 1-minute masterpiece. If every scene is 6 seconds, that's exactly 10 scenes. It's like building a Lego set, one block at a time until you've got a full story. Step 4. The prompt. Generate the story and the scenes. I only had a rough idea of the beginning of my story, so I told Grok, it's the year 2099. High-tech brain-computer interfaces are the new norm, and humans are upgrading their bodies like they're swapping out smartphone parts. Enter our hero, Jackie, a 26-year-old boy who's had a rough run. After a brutal car accident, he lost his left eye and his right arm. Now he's stuck with massive loans for his shiny new electronic eye and mechanical limb. To pay off that crushing debt, he's out here grinding in the sweltering heat of a massive trash landfill. Then, Grok wrote the whole story out of my simple draft, in a length of around 1 minute. All right, now we've got our story outline neatly broken down into 6-second segments. But here's the thing, you can't just plug this straight into a text-to-video tool. It's missing the visual detail that AI needs. So I asked the AI to take that story and, using my specific prompts, generate cinematic scene descriptions tailored for Grok. In no time, a perfect 1-minute storyboard appeared. Step 5. Start from the first image. Now we've reached the turning point, the moment where it all begins. Take the description for scene 1, head over to the Grok Imagine text-to-image box, and paste it in. Let it generate some options for you. Boom! Grok will give you a range of images to choose from. Pick your favorite, and hit Make Movie. That chosen image becomes your seed image. Everything else we build will flow from this look. This very first clip is the starting point for your entire film. Step 6. The extend magic. Now we take that first scene description, drop it into Grok, and hit generate. Once that 6-second clip is done, don't stop. Use the extend video feature to add another 6 seconds. Keep stitching those scenes together until you hit that 30-second mark. It's like a digital relay race. By the way, 30 seconds is the maximum length that a clip can be extended to. So the question is, how to generate another 30-second video that starts from the ending of the previous video clip. Step 7. Start from the ending frame. Yes, I think you have got the answer. We can start a new cycle to generate another 30-second video by providing the ending picture frame of the previous episode. I guess you must have known many different ways to take snapshot or export the last frame. Then we upload it to the Grok prompt window and copy-paste the next scene description into it. Click Generate. Then, yep, we got a new clip. All right, we have started a new loop. Let's do our routine. Copy-paste the next scene description. Click Generate. Click Extend. Copy-paste the next scene description. Click Generate. Click Extend. Copy-paste the next scene description. Click Generate. Click Extend. Another 30-second video is now in your hand. Step 8. Cut, post, and repeat. And boom, you've got a 1-minute adventure ready for the world. I suddenly realized that I did not have an opening for my film. I needed an epic hook to establish the world building, but I wasn't sure how to start. So, I stuck to the plan. I fed my rough notes into Grok AI to build out the scene prompts. It worked like a charm. Now I've got a killer cinematic intro ready to go. Totally. I got 3 videos, and each one is 30 seconds long. Use the CapCut editing tool to concat them and do some simple modification if it is necessary, and export the final product. Post it, check the comments, see what the fans want next. If you do this for 30 minutes every day, you're not just a prompter, you're a director now. Jackie's journey is just beginning. Is this chip Jackie found just a piece of junk or a hidden treasure? What does it actually do? And could it be the key to changing his life forever? Hit that subscribe button, leave your comments, and let's find out together.